If you need to implement an emergency notification system due to OSHA requirements, then the fastest and cheapest way to go is using a wireless system. And we've done this for several businesses where they've saved tens of thousands of dollars by just going wireless instead of using a wired. And to do it, we're using a wireless PA system instead of having to run wires all over the plant or your building campus. You can use these PA speakers and horns and place them at various places around your business, and you don't have to trench through concrete or asphalt parking lots. So that's where you really save the money. And the way they work is there's a receiver, and you can have up to 2 of these horn speakers on it, and they can point in different directions to do a greater coverage area. And a two-way radio or a mobile vehicle radio or a base station intercom can transmit messages to them. And one of the benefits of that is your security personnel or your emergency personnel can transmit messages from a remote location. So they could be outside on a two-way radio and still be broadcasting messages inside. And these units can be either VHF or UHF radios, so you can use existing equipment that you've already got. But if you do go with VHF, the unit has built-in NOAA weather radios, so it'll automatically transmit emergency weather alerts to personnel, to the system, so everyone will know of approaching bad weather rather quickly. These things have a range of up to a couple miles away, so you don't have to worry about the distance of these. They'll transmit quite a ways and through significant. They have good penetrating power as well. Another thing that can go along with that is the MERS voice notification wireless monitor, where you can actually program recorded voice messages in here, and you can have up to 2 messages and put 2 switches on here, so they can press a button that automatically sends out a message. You can press, like I say, you have 2 buttons on it to send 2 pre-recorded messages. And you could actually tie switches onto that to detect equipment malfunction and other things to send messages automatically to your PA system. So if some sort of alarm is triggered, it could send out a message to evacuate the building, sort of thing. The message could be something like, warning, take shelter now, or whatever you want, you can program into it. As I said, these can be in VHF or UHF and transmitted from base stations. If you don't have radios already and don't want to get an FCC license, there are 5 MERS frequencies that can be used. These are very lightly used, so you won't find a lot of competition for the airwaves. So if you think you might have a need for a system like this, please call us at Intercoms Online, and our product experts will help you out.